We live in a digital world now, and participating in the digital economy is an imperative for all. These videos are designed to help you quickly understand the key digital topics and the technologies in approximately 5 minutes. A number of 2017 industry analyst reports indicated that many organizations are not really progressing fast enough with leveraging digital technologies for business value. McKinsey and Company indicated that less than 40% of organizations are digitized. Dynatrace, in a survey of over 1,200 organizations, found 48% of survey participants indicated digital performance challenges were hindering their success in their digital transformation. A 2017 OECD study for the G20 meeting on the key issues for digital transformation indicated that 50% of organizations experience one or more of the challenges we shall shortly present, slowing down their participation in the digital economy. A review of industry reports and studies, as you can see here, from leading analysts and digital leaders, comes up with a pretty consistent list of the top challenges that limit or slow digital transformation. We shall take a look at these now. Lack of a clear vision and strategic intent relating to leveraging digital for business value is a limiting factor in setting the direction and focus for the organization. Lack of knowledge and competence that gives leaders the confidence to set the right vision and plan, and for other stakeholders the ability to productively contribute in the transformation. Attitudes towards existing systems and technology presents a barrier to new technology adoption, whether it be sunk cost or emotional investment, or perceived technical challenges such as integration and interoperability. Performance management and return on investment visibility is an issue, where organizations are not experiencing the impact of their technology investment. Lack of focus on the customer and their digital engagement and journey in the acquisition of your organization's products and services, another important issue that slows down digital transformation. Inertia at all levels. At the highest level, the perception of risk that significant change to the business or business model might bring, right down to the operational level where fear of the unknown and what might be the consequences of digital transformation for the individual or teams. Digital transformation can enable and require culture change. Digital has the potential to change how individuals live and work. Our traditional understanding of products and product-based organizations is as an inverted pyramid, where a small number of resources engage directly with the customer. Product organizations were traditionally machine-based hierarchies when it comes to command and control. Positioning, differentiation, and customer consumption is based on the comparative price-value proposition relating to the functions, features, and specifications of the product. These were arrived at through the provider's R&D initiatives and investment. The model is investment-led, design and build, and then sell. Advantages include the service of common needs informed by the market. They're more robust and future-proofed due to many customer users, and they benefit from the economies of scale. There are some downsides, is they usually don't meet some percentage of the consumer's specific requirements, so there's a buyer trade-off. They can lack flexibility as regards change and adaptation, and there can be provider lock-in. The service organization is quite different in that the customer offering is designed, built, and consumed directly and specifically for the customer. The customer is engaged in the service lifecycle process. Greater numbers of the provider staff touch the customer through the engagements, and the organization's pyramid is the opposite to a production organization. Positioning, differentiation, and customer consumption based on comparative price-value propositions that relate to knowledge, expertise, capability, and the tools of the providers. The advantages are the customer unique needs are taken care of, and there is a lot more flexibility to change and evolve. Some downsides include often higher maintenance and support costs and not as future-proofed as a product model. The evolution of products and services organizations has been to converge into hybrid structures over time. Both product and service providers have been motivated to attain some of the positive traits of the other, while mitigating the negative traits of their existing model, with a view to increasing their customer value proposition and their customer advantage. Through the information age, technologies and management practices has enabled this convergence. If we use the automotive industry as an example, 25 years ago, the consumer visited the showroom. They selected their car from a limited choice of models and options, and they waited several months for delivery until the manufacturer planned and built a batch of models that met with their specification, unless of course they were lucky enough that their choice was in stock. In the internet age, the consumer can go online, choose from a vast array of models and options, place an order, and their specific model will be scheduled and built individually in a matter of weeks. Now let us look at the near future and how new technology and management practices are going to transform the automotive industry. Consumers will not need to own a car. Using a mobile phone or their laptop, they'll be able to call up an autonomous car to the required specification for a specific journey, and they can use that journey to carry out work or leisure activities in their connected vehicle. But what does that mean when it comes to the definition of products and services and the organization model now and going forward? Everything as a productized services is a term we can use to try and capture this scenario. New and radical business systems, models and offerings from new entrants, and significant transformations from current providers to remain relevant and competitive. Customer contact with the organization will be human or machine, with seamless transition between the two when required. Customers will have price value propositions and choice to meet their specific needs at any point in time. The nature and shape of the provider's organization will be agile, dynamic, and continuously sensing, responding, and providing unique propositions to customers with continuous feeds of improvement value. There will still be a structure, but it will be more dynamic, with roles continually adapting within that structure, where everyone will be at worst only one step away from the customer. Thanks for your attention. I hope you found this video useful and informative. Below you can see other videos in the digital series. If you need any further information, you can go to the listed websites, or you can email me at info@intelligentorg.com. Thank you again.